Are you struggling to get your site noticed in search results, or is the content not what you expect to see? Welcome to our video. We'll guide you through a step-by-step process to troubleshoot and enhance your site for improved search visibility. First, let's Google our site, MyForest. I see one link to the site. The display here is obviously not what I want. It is not the most important section I placed on the home page. Ideate and iterate your content with AI organized in blocks. Something doesn't look right here. I'm scrolling down to see if there are other results. Here's one more link. The search snippet is definitely not for privacy policy. Let's open the privacy policy and double-check our page. We don't see anything related to what we just saw on Google search. Let's take a look at the HTML. Right-click, then select Inspect from the menu. Let's find the meta tag and take a look. Here we go. Ideate and iterate your content product description sentence is incorrectly placed at the privacy policy page. And that's the same thing that is showing up in the search results. I don't see other links to our site. I wonder what is going on. One way to troubleshoot is to go to the Google Search Console to check the status of all your pages. Click on Pages and click on View Data about indexed pages. Scroll down and you'll see all your pages that have been indexed by Google. I can see all pages, so my site is crawled and indexed. Now you can see all the pages from your site, even if they don't show up from the previous search results. Here is a link to my blog. The displayed snippet here is not ideal. I'll inspect further. I'm at the blog page. Right-click to inspect the element. Find the meta tag. Here we go. It is the same sentence as we have on every single page. I suspect Google may dedupe for search results since all the meta descriptions are the same. That's probably why my blogs are not showing up in the search results page. All right, now we find the culprit. It's time to write some nice meta descriptions for our website. So what is a meta description? A meta description informs users with a short summary of what a page is about. It is super important to make your search results look good. Definitely check out the official guide on meta description from Google Search Console. What is the meta information that search engines care about? How about meta keywords? Let's learn about it. Here we see the most relevant one is description. You can scroll down to see the full list. I don't see keywords from here. Let's use MyForest to write a great and meaningful meta description for your site that helps you with better search results and attracts more organic traffic. Please see the next video for using MyForest to streamline the meta description generation.